Hi, my name is Ben Grant, and my healthcare story, it's actually two stories. First, I had a series of bad repetitive strain injuries from working too hard as a contractor, so I had only the catastrophic insurance that I could afford. And none of my very significant problems that kept me from working were serious enough to be considered covered by my insurance. So I ended up having to pay a lot out of pocket, and I was out of work for quite a while, and it was a real nightmare. Will there be a plan for people like me? And I don't know if you want to do this as two separate things, whatever. My other healthcare story was I was walking down the sidewalk one day on Sunday morning, and a car came out of nowhere and jumped the curb and knocked me through a storefront window. You can enjoy this on YouTube. If you search for Fillmore Crash, you can watch me get hit by a car. It was extremely unpleasant, obviously, and I was taken to the emergency room in an ambulance, and ended up spending about 6 months going through administrative and legal hoops. And in spite of all that, and in spite of having been hospitalized, my catastrophic insurance, which was intended, I was referred to it as in case I get hit by a car, and then finally I was hit by a car, and I ended up still being liable for quite a bit of the cost of my emergency care and my ambulance ride, and a lot of my subsequent rehabilitation. So even having insurance was not adequate to a real emergency. So will there be a plan to cover people like me?